It's crazy how you can end up on the other side of the world in less than a day. 21 hours and 10 minutes away. That's how long the flight is from Toronto to Australia. Australia, the land down under, known for surfing, snorkeling, and of course, the dangerous wildlife. But wait, the reason I'm really here. This is Amanda, my former roommate and bestie who decided to move 10,000 miles away chasing her dream. I decided I might visit her once in a while.
And it went like...
Being jet lagged isn't so bad when you get to wake up to this view of the sunrise every morning.
Up we go to the observation deck. We're in Surfer's Paradise today. We're gonna see it from above, so we're gonna be a typical tourist today. It's beautiful! I'll go. Ready? Oh shit.
My favorite thing about the Gold Coast is you can go from exploring the city to hiking along the coast. And my personal highlight of this trip, chasing waterfalls and swimming holes in the hinterlands.
See that? So that's the natural bridge, this thing right here. Oh yeah. Look, it's a little hot tub. We're at the natural bridge at Springbrook. Going to the base of it now. Yes, we just saw the waterfalls. So pretty. Can't swim in it though. So green. We're on Tambourine Mountain. Hoping to see a koala today.
The adventures are endless from the rainforest to the mountains. One thing you need to have on your bucket list when coming to Australia is definitely seeing the kangaroos and koalas.
We are at the Currumbin Sanctuary. And we saw koalas. We saw koalas so far, and the birds and the parrots. And what are we on our way to? We're on our way to see the kangaroos. Yeah, we're going to the kangaroo. We're on our way to see Jackass. Eating for two. Game of Thrones, but like Australia.
Look how big those leaves are. That's beautiful.
Yeah. The funny thing is, this is man-made, and we already saw the real deal in the wilderness with two large snakes. So we're gonna skip the reptiles. Yeah, we can probably skip the reptiles.
The next morning, we packed the car up for a weekend getaway to Byron Bay. We made a few stops along the way and grabbed some food at the farm, a restaurant which uses fresh produce just a few steps away from the kitchen.
What are you getting? I'm gonna get, I think, matcha latte and the pear and almond fruit toast. Yum! So we're getting the freshest food for breakfast this morning. Exciting.
We squeezed in one last waterfall before checking into our hostel for the day and heading to our very first surf lesson on the coast. We're gonna learn to surf today. There's no sun. What's happening?
woke up to watch the sunrise where the lighthouse is. This is what it looks like.
So we did about 4-kilometer walk. There's Panda right there. We did about a 4-kilometer walk all the way down to Alexandria Bay. It's beautiful here. It just smells like salt water, which doesn't sound as pleasing as I thought it would saying it out loud. But it's just you're walking along the coast. It's called the coastal walk. And so you're just going along the coast. You're able to have like certain lookouts, seeing the dolphins, the whales. I think 5 minutes into it, I decided I'm gonna retire out here. So that's a good sign. Found the ferry poles. Time for the gnarliest hike of life.